Hi, my name's Sarah and I'm going to show you how to make my version of Pad Thai. If you like food from Thailand, surely you've heard of Pad Thai. It's a very popular noodle dish, and I've found that not only can I make it at home, but I can use whatever ingredients I have handy and I can make it the way that I like it, which is a little less soupy than the traditional method. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients I used, but you can substitute any protein or vegetable that you like. Medium width rice noodles, chicken, onion, jalapeno, garlic, cabbage, carrots, mushrooms, eggs, green onions, peanuts, lime juice, soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and a glass of water. Here's how it all goes together. First, soak the noodles in some hot tap water. Next, scramble up the eggs in a bowl. Chop the chicken and vegetables. I like to cut them in strips, but however you like them, it will work. Place everything right near the stove so that you can reach it while you're cooking. Next, turn your burner onto medium-high. Add a little oil to the pan to prevent sticking. Add the chicken pieces, and when they're done cooking all the way through, remove them to the side in a bowl. Next, add your eggs, scramble the eggs, and once that's cooked, add that to the chicken. Add a little bit more oil, and then saute all of the vegetables. Once the vegetables are softened, put those aside in the bowl with the chicken and the egg. Now we're ready to drain the noodles to get all of the water out. Oil the pan once again. Saute your noodles until they're fairly soft, adding some fish sauce, some soy sauce, an amount of water to the consistency that you like, a little bit of lime juice, and some sugar. Once the noodles are soft, then it's time to add all the vegetables and chicken and egg that we cooked earlier. Now all we need to do are add some toppings, some peanuts, some green onions, and maybe even some sriracha sauce. Add some chopsticks, sit down, and enjoy.